Hey everybody, Miss Teacher here. We're taking a look at questions 6, 7, and I believe 8. We're looking at this figure. They want us to find the area of the triangle, the rectangle, and then the area of the entire thing. So what you need to do is you need to break it up into, two separate figures. So if we kind of think of it as a triangle on the top and then this rectangle on the bottom, then we should be successful finding the area of the composite figure. So let's start with the easy part, which is this rectangle. You want to find the two numbers that are perpendicular to each other, and the bottom number of 24 is the base, and the 6 there that you see on the side would be the height. So that's pretty simple. You're just going to be multiplying 24 times 6 to get the answer of the rectangle. But what's not as easy to do is to find the area of the triangle, because you have to infer the length of this dotted line. So I just want to remind you all that opposite sides of rectangles are equal. And if we take advantage of the fact that we know that this number here is 4, and we know that this number here is 5, we know that 4 plus whatever this number is that I have in dotted green, plus this red, would have to add up to be 24. So the next step is to just go ahead and add the 4 plus 5, which would be 9. And we have to subtract that from the length of this line to get the missing piece. So that means we're going to be doing 24 minus 9. Now, when you get that, I want to remind you that that's going to be the base of your triangle. So in case you forgot the formula for area of a triangle, it is half of the base times the height. Or area equals half. And then whatever this difference is, remember, that's going to be the base. So you're going to substitute that number. I'm just going to leave a yellow box, but you're going to do that. You're doing this and putting that number in this yellow box. And now let's talk about the height of this thing. Remember, the height has to be perpendicular to the base. So what number might be perpendicular to this green line? Well, it would be this line right here. Let me highlight it in purple. This line is perpendicular to this green line, and they confirm that by showing you this little symbol, which shows you perpendicular. All right, what's the length of that line? They tell you that it's 6. All right, so you might take half of 6, which is 3, and then multiply that by whatever number you got here. Or if you prefer to take half of the product of these two numbers, you have options because of community property. But finish this up, find the area of the triangle, whatever that is. Find the area of the rectangle. Remember, you're just doing 24 times 6 to get the area of that. And you're just going to take this number and whatever you get for the triangle and add those two numbers up to get the area of the composite figure, which is, I think, what they want for the third part of this, because there's 3 parts. They want the area of the triangle, the rectangle, and then the whole thing. All right, good luck finishing this up.